In this ultimate step-by-step tutorial to email marketing, I'm going to show you how you can set up email automation promoting a ClickBank product, which can give you $500 once if you started sending this email sequence or nurture your email list, which you collected with various traffic sources. So if you're first time here, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. If these videos are really adding the values in your business, do subscribe my channel, put the bell notification, and do not forget to smash the like button so you can learn how to make $500 with email automation promoting a affiliate offer. So these are few of my email list which I collected over a period of time promoting a ClickBank offer, as well as I have other email lists also where I promote other different online marketing products. So it's not about this list. Each of these lists have few of these email collected here, the leads which you're seeing right now. But it's not about this list or the leads inside this list. It's all about the email sequence which you're sending them to build the relationship with them over a period of time. To get the sales conversion with this email list, you have to send this email sequence filled with values, as well as you can also promote the product. So I use autoresponders which send this email sequence automatically on a period of a time. Here you can see my first email went on the same day, then the second email on the second day, and then I'm leaving 1 day gap, and then I'm sending on the third day. So it's all the sequences goes on here. This is one of the list I'm showing you promoting a product called Manifestation Magic. So if I open this email sequence or the campaign to see how many people has got delivered this email, you can see the tone email has delivered to 16,145 people, and the open rate is good here, 96%, and then click rate to download that lead magnet which I offer them in this email is 86%. And then if you can see the second email which I sent on the first day, and then I have a gap of second day, then a third day I'm sending the other emails. So it's I have like 62% people has opened, 56% of people has clicked the link, and here you can see 16,139 people has got my first email, and only 58% is open the right email, and only 47% is clicked on that. How to know who are those people and why they are not opening, and how to retarget them or to filter them or to remove them from my list. Maybe they are not like want to open my email one more. Just they want to get my lead magnet, that's why they open the email. There are many reasons, but how I'm going to know this? With autoresponder there is no feature like this, but that's the reason you set up this automation. This will easily, I'm going to show you in a second, right, how you can set up this one here. And with this you can find out, right, who is opening your messages or email, or who are not opening this. And you can send a different email to them. All those you can easily do from here. So this is how the email marketing work. You're going to create an opt-in page, right, and you'll drive the traffic to this opt-in page. So it can be Facebook ad, YouTube ad, or maybe your free traffic, whatever you're using from your website. You'll collect this email from here, and it will go to your autoresponder, or the automation software which I am using, GetResponse. I will collect the email lead here, and then this target audience will go to thank you page, and from the thank you page, or you can create one-time offer. If you have a sales funnel, it will go to one-time offer, second-time offer. Here they will go to the sales page. If they buy, if they purchase, you will make a commission. If they don't purchase, I have their email, and then I'm going to send the email sequence. That's what I was talking about here, right? All this email sequence. That's how I build relationship with them, and I'm going to keep on promoting the same offer or many other offer, providing values, building relationship. So this is how this email work. If you're running a paid ad, right, if you invested like $50 in the paid ad, and if you have got their email here and there is no conversion happen, right, in this process, there is no issues, right, because you have their email where you can retarget them through the email sequence. That's what you do here. And that's how I collected this emails here. And after collecting this email, I'm sending this email sequence to them. So now let's create the workflow, the email automation. For my email marketing, I use this software called GetResponse. This have many features like email marketing, autoresponder, automation, landing page, and you can also create a sales funnel. All of these features are free for first 30 days. And then later you have to upgrade it. Then I will go here in this option called automation. Once if you click in this, it will be going to show you this, okay, workflow. So here only we're going to click here and we'll create a workflow. But before creating a workflow, we have to create a message, okay, or a email sequence which we want to send here. So assuming this, that we want to send the email to this list, okay, we want to promote a product to this list. To select the product, we'll go to here in the ClickBank, we'll select this, a random product here, the manifestation mini layer. So here you can see they have the affiliate page, and under this affiliate page you can see they have this email sequence, okay, where they are offering like some free gift swipes. So all these are there. So if you are giving the free gift through the emails, we are going to use this email, this subject line as well as the text which they have given, okay. So now what we're going to do is like we're going to set up a automation message, okay. So for that we're going to click here, create automation message. So here we are going to select the list. So we want to send to Manifestation Magic 101 only, and then we are going to name something like new promotion to this list, and then we're going to put this subject line. And for the subject line, we'll go to here. Here you can see the subject line's really important, okay. So Christmas has come earlier, my gift inside, okay. So I'm going to use meanwhile here, okay. Subject line makes people to it's a kind of a hook that make the click. So I'm going to put this subject line over here. Then I'm going to say like next step. So now you have a lot of free design here. So instead of creating this design, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to create from the scratch this email, right, blank template, just very simple, right. I'm going to put the text box here, and I'm going to paste that email from there right to here, okay. I'll copy from here and then I'm going to paste it here. So just I'm showing you an example, so I'm not getting into setting up this, because I already have a very depth email. If you want to learn how to write a email sequence, I already have a video on that. The link is popping up right now in the window, so you can watch this video. So this is the email we wrote here, and we also promoting this download link here. So we can put any affiliate link here. So by clicking here, promote and generate, copy, and we'll go here and just give an example here, and we'll put this affiliate link URL here. We also have to keep the track, right, how many people has made the link clicks. That is possible with the automation that I'm going to show you in a second, okay. So now this is just ready, and we're going to say next step. So the email message which we prepared, it will be here in the draft. If you click in the draft, you can see the new promotion. This is what we created just now. So we're going to use this while setting up the workflow. To create a workflow, guys, we'll go to workflow here, and then we're going to click here, create a workflow. Now here you have a different option to create the workflows. Already some of the workflow is designed for you, but I want to create from scratch. So I'm going to select start now. And here you have to name your workflow. So I'm going to name like ClickBank, like ClickBank 101. And then I'm going to select one of this like called subscribe. The moment somebody obtains the email to the landing page, this all workflow or the series of sequence will begin. The first email which I want to send to them is offer, okay, is this this gift option, okay. So that's what we created in the draft. So select this one here, and here you'll get the option to select the draft option. Like look at this, automation is there. That means you can create right now the email. If you don't want to create earlier, you can create now, okay. And then you can select draft, because we have already created here. Look at this, new promotion, apply, and this is selector, okay. And now anybody subscribed, put the email to my landing page, they'll get this message automatically. Then what I want to keep the track record. I want to see how many of them is open my email. That's really important, which is not possible with the autoresponder, but it is possible with automation. So I'm going to give the instruction to this workflow, right, keep the record, right, let me know how many of the pupil is opening email. Now guys, I also want to keep the record of how many people are making the link click in this message, okay. Then only I can generate the sales, right. I can go for a specific link. So now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to select automation here, automation, a specific link from a specific message, right. I'm going to select the message, the new promotion here, and now they want to know which link. Okay, this was the link. You remember, right? This was the affiliate link which we insert in the beginning in the promotion email. Now look at this. When a specific link is clicked, I'll get their record. Okay, and I can see in my ClickBank hops, right, how many hops I got. So that way I can keep the record of this. Okay, because the people who already made the link clicks, I don't want to promote the offer, this promotional offer once again to them, or this gift once again to them. So what I'm going to do is, right, I am going to wait for 3 days here. Okay, I'm going to wait. So I have an option of wait, because they already made the link clicks, right? So this is the direction I have given to them. So I'm going to say wait for 1 day, or maybe wait for at least 3 days here, because they already, there's a chances that if they made the link clicks, they're going to buy. So I'm not going to promote them once again. Wait for 3 days, and then after waiting for 3 days again, I'm going to provide them another email with I will provide them different email sequence again. Okay, I've just created one to show you how this work. So what is happening here is, the moment they subscribe, I'm going to give them the free gift, and I also want to target those people who is opening my email. Okay, and this who has opened and made the link clicks, I will wait for 3 days before I send any message to them, another email to them. Okay, and then I'm going to send them another message. You have to prepare the another message. I just showed you, but there are people, right, who might be not open my email, so I can have another plan for them. I'm going to wait 1 day for them. Okay, because maybe there is a chances they are busy, extremely busy. So I'm going to connect them like this. Okay, I'm going to wait for 1 day, and then I'm going to do the one more promotion with them. Okay, same promotion with a different subject line. I'm going to promote them the same product or gift. I want to give them the gift, and I'm going to give the promotion here. And again, the strategy will go the same. I want to keep the track how many of them has opened my message. So I'm going to select this, and then I also want to know here also, right, how many of them has made the link clicks. Okay, so I'm going to select this one here. If they made the link clicks, I'm going to wait for 3 days. Okay, here again for them. Okay, for here I'm going to give wait, and I'm going to say like 3 days. And then what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to connect them. If they open, I will connect them with this email sequence. Okay, so that they can keep on going to get the email sequence which I created, because now they are started opening my email. Okay, so I can keep the record of all those people. And what about these people, guys, who has still not opening my email? It's very simple. Still, because I have promoted the second time. Okay, still if they're not opening, then I'm going to have one more strategy for them. I'm going to tag them. So here I'm going to connect them. So what is this tag? I have to create a tag. Okay, select the tag. So here you can see I'm going to create a new tag, and I'm going to call them inactive user. Okay, they are not active right now. Okay, so now the people who is not opening as well as not making any click to the list, they will be here. Okay, inactive user. I'm going to show you how I'm going to find this inactive user and what I'm doing with this. Okay, so wait a second here. So once I created this inactive user here, and this was what I'm going to do, the people who is not opening. And also here you can see people who are not making the clicks. Okay, for that for them also I should have some plan, right? I'm going to wait for them also for 1 day. Okay, wait for 1 day. Okay, if they are not opening for 1 day, then again after 1 day I'm going to run a series of this sequence. Okay, and then I'm going to promote them a different offer, or maybe the same offer once again. And that's how, guys, these people will keep on going here. Okay, I'm going to put one more option here, like send a message after this to these people who has not opened. And again after that I'm going to say like how many people has made the link clicks. Okay, and that's how, guys, I will find the people who is not opening my email as well as who is not also making a click, right? I will tag them once again, right, using the tag option here, and I'm going to call them a inactive user. So at the end, guys, I'll have a list of inactive user. So this is how, guys, I create a workflow, and you can have a huge workflow. And once you have to create this, guys, once if you create this workflow we have created for this list. okay, and we can keep on promote any product to those least people with the help of workflow. Once if you created according to your strategy, okay, this is all about your strategy, like waiting for 3 days and calling them an inactive user. So how can I find the inactive user? Here you can see this is my list. I will go to the tag. That's how we created the tag. We'll select here tag. So here you can see we have created inactive user 5 here. Okay, so now I will go and I will show the contact, and I'm going to delete all of them. That's how guys I keep on refresh my email list, removing these inactive users or the users who are not making any clicks. That's how guys I have an amazing list over a period of a time with the help of workflow. Okay, so this is an amazing guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you learn with this video. If you really learn from this video, smash that like button, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And before you go, I will recommend you to watch these 2 email marketing videos. These are really basic, which will help you to understand how to promote the email product and how to set up the email sequence, which is really important for you if you really want to get into email marketing. These are the 2 very important videos.